This looks like a scary ride.
At least your sweat will look like water.
I don't know if we get it wet or not. Oh, my butt's wet.
What'd you say?
My butt is wet.
Really?
We're in Norway on the Frozen ride.
Yes, we are. Very scary.
Here we go.
There are big hills where we do get wet.
Are there?
No.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
Very cool. Sparkly. So pretty. Oh, Olaf.
Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, I know you do. Elsa's made the magic winter show with summer snow for Sven and me and you. Oh, we're going up to Elsa's ice palace with you and you and you, all of you. See you there.
Tell us the story again, please.
On a day very much like today, Anna saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love and thaw a frozen heart.
Oh, and now they're best friends.
Going upwards. So that was a Frozen ride at Disney's Epcot.
Awesome.
Yes, a very awesome ride.
My bag did get wet in the front seat.
Yeah, so you do get splashed a little bit going down that one hill.
Yes.
But lots of cool theming in the walkthrough line. A very fun ride.
Yes, one of my favorites here at Epcot.
So that was a Frozen ride. It's one of our favorite rides here at Disney's Epcot. It will cool you off. You will get a little wet going down the hill, but you don't get soaked. So it's well worth going to when you visit Epcot. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and always remember, life is sweet for the bold, so adventure with us on Adventures with Dan and Tracie. And now we go to the gift shop.
Yeah, that's right. That's where they put us at.
All rides end in the gift shop.
That's right.
Fine, we're fine. Yeah, you wore it the whole time. No. I do not think so.
There's Tracie.
Here you are. Hello.
Trying to make our way out here.
That is your 20. Oh,